There are no recipes.
Savory pie or quiche. Ingredients: fats like butter and oil, water, and flour. Then pick what you want to put in your savory pie, anything you want. Wash your hands. Prepare your dough. Half a stick of butter for a cup of flour, a little bit of salt. Mix in the butter and the flour. Mix it with the tip of your fingers. And slowly add some water until you have a firm dough. Put it in a ball and set it aside. Now prepare all your ingredients.
Clean them and cut them.
Flatten your dough. Put it in the bottom of a pan.
Or flatten it on a surface with a rolling pin.
And put all of your ingredients on top. You can add a little bit of custard by blending an egg and a little bit of milk. And pouring it on top. Now put your pie in the oven at 375.
As the dough hardens as it bakes,
don't forget to compost and to clean up your kitchen. And when the sides are golden, take it out and enjoy it with your friends.
Thank you, 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 thank you,